How to back up games in Epic Games. So first what you want to do is just open up your Epic Games, then go to your library, and I'm just going to set it to install games so that I can see all of my installed games. So I have one right here, and just simply click on the three dot right there, and it will preview a menu, and just simply click on manage. Once you're there, go here on the installation path, then click on this folder icon, wait for it to load. Once it's opened up, it will show the designated folder for that game. What you need to do now is just simply go here. As you can see, this is my game right there. Now what you need to do is just simply copy this folder of the game. So click on copy, and you could paste it to wherever you want. Let's say you want to paste it on downloads or your document or to another folder right here. So let's say I want to paste it right here on my other drive. Just wait for it to load. And now it's pasted, and let's try to delete this game right here. So I'm just gonna uninstall it. And when I go back to my folder and go back to the install path, so it's right here, as you can see it's gone. And then we click, or when we download that game again, so I'm just gonna go back, download the game, and install. I simply need to pause it and just go back or exit out of Epic Games first. Once that's exited out, just simply need to go to the folder. So as you can see, it made a folder right there. Just simply go to the file where you put the copy. So I have my copy right here. So just copy all of the contents of that folder. So I'm going to select all of it. Then click on copy. Go back to the installation folder right here. Click on paste. Then wait for it to load. Once it's pasted right there, you can now open up your Epic Games again. Go back to library, and if you click on this, it will just load, and it's just gonna verify. And as you can see, it's just installed faster. And when we go back to the folder, so there's no extra folder that was made, since the folder that it used was the folder that we just copied and pasted on the installation path. And that's how I basically back up games in Epic Games.